Hello everybody, we welcome you to our channel. In this video, we going to discuss about one of the important concept in physics. That is about electric current. Electric current plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. So, it is important to know about it. Electric current is one of the basic concept in physics. An electric current is a flow of charged particles, such as electrons or ions, moving through an electrical conductor or space. It is defined as the net rate of flow of electric charge through a surface. The moving particles are called charge carriers, which may be one of several types of particles, depending on the conductor. In electric circuits, the charge carriers are often electrons moving through a wire. In semiconductors, they can be electrons or holes. In an electrolyte, the charge carriers are ions, while in plasma, an ionized gas, they are ions and electrons. In the International System of Units, electric current is expressed in units of ampere, sometimes called an amp, symbol A. The ampere is an SI-based unit and electric current is a base quantity in the International System of Quantities. Electric current is also known as amperage and is measured using a device called an ammeter. Electric currents create magnetic forces, which are used in motors, generators, inductors and transformers. In ordinary conductors, they cause Joule heating, which creates light in incandescent light bulbs. Time-varying currents emit electromagnetic waves, which are used in telecommunications to broadcast information. A conductor is an object or type of material that allows the flow of charge or electric current in one or more directions. Materials made of metal are common electrical conductors. Types of conductors. There are mainly three different types of conductors, namely, good conductors, semiconductors, and non-conductors. Good conductor is an object or type of material that allows the flow of charge or electric current in one or more directions. Example for good conductors: silver, gold, copper, aluminium, steel, iron. Semiconductor is an object or type of material that allows the flow of charge or electric current in one or more directions but not fully. Example for semiconductors: boron, carbon, germanium, selenium, silicon, sulfur and tellurium. Non-conductor is an object or type of material that does not allow the flow of charge or electric current in one or more directions. Example for non-conductors: glass, plastic, rubber, and natural and synthetic fibers, such as cotton and nylon.